In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect IC markets to Tradingview. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step so that you can seamlessly integrate these two powerful trading platforms to enhance your trading experience. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Tradingview website. Tradingview is a versatile platform that offers a wide array of tools for traders, and it's really easy to use, even for beginners. Once the page loads, you'll see a variety of options available to you. Next, look for the Products section on the Tradingview homepage. Once you find it, click on Supercharts. Supercharts is a feature-rich charting application that's excellent for technical analysis. By navigating to this section, you will have access to one of Tradingview's most comprehensive tools, which is perfect for getting an in-depth look at market trends. With Supercharts open, you'll see your default chart view with the candlesticks, indicators, and all. Now, look below the chart where you will find a tab labeled Trading Panel. Go ahead and click on it. The Trading Panel is a fantastic gateway to connect with various brokers, allowing you to execute trades directly from Tradingview on brokers you've linked to your account. Once the Trading Panel is visible, your next move is to click on Show All Brokers. Here, Tradingview displays a list of brokerages that integrate smoothly with their platform, making it highly convenient to trade directly from the charts you analyze. At this point, you should see a list of broker connections, and this is where you'll want to select IC Markets. IC Markets is a well-known brokerage firm celebrated for its low latency and tight spreads, attributes that are highly appealing to traders who seek efficiency and cost-effectiveness in their trading strategies. Once you click on IC Markets, a connection screen will appear. It is here that you can connect your Tradingview account to IC Markets. You might need to input your IC Markets login credentials to finish the connection. This integration will allow you to place trades from the charts you're analyzing, providing a seamless workflow for your technical analysis and trading executions. And there you have it. From navigating Tradingview's website to finding supercharts, accessing their trading panel, and connecting IC Markets, you're all set up. Now, you can start leveraging the analytical power of Tradingview alongside the efficient trading execution capabilities of IC Markets. Remember, combining the strengths of these two platforms can greatly enhance your overall trading performance. So take your time exploring this setup, get comfortable, and most importantly, happy trading.